requesting for this, and I wanted to make this for such a long time, but it took quite some time for all the items to be delivered. So I will be talking more about the delivery, the overall quality, and will I be shopping from it again. So that will be at the end. So for now, let's begin with the haul. The very first piece which I have is my favorite piece among the entire collection which I got, which is this red colored cami kind of ruffled detailing top. So I will be wearing it and showing it to you guys how it looks. And by the way, the top which I'm wearing right now is from Meesho, so that haul is coming really soon. So if you guys are interested, then subscribe to my channel if you do not want to miss out on that. This is how the top looks like. So it is not at all see-through. So most of these crop tops are really thin, like it's hard to figure out what you will be wearing inside this. And also if it's see-through, then it's really problematic, but that is not the case with this top. It also has elastic detailing here and here at the bottom, so it really fits your body nicely if you are going for the right size. So this is how my recent favorite top looks like. It's perfectly of this maroonish red kind of color with this ruffled detailing. It has an elastic which is suitable for any kind of body type. It has this detailing on the top at the bottom and these beautiful sleeves. It is not at all see-through, as you guys can see, and it's perfect for date nights and for that perfect summer. So I really like the detailing of this, the material of this. It's shiny and it's not of proper red color. It's little bit maroonish. It's not that proper bright cherry red. So I really like that as well, and I can never have enough red in my wardrobe. Big enough to provide you some space to wear something inside it. So that is really nice about this. And also links to all these items will be down below, and this is very affordable piece. It was below 500, so you guys can check the link down below and see it for yourself. The next piece which I'm going to talk about is this lavender colored beautiful crop top. Next what I have is this lavender colored crop top. It has these short sleeves and this silver chain detailing, which I absolutely love. The silver chain detailing with the lavender color is really pretty. As you can see from up front close, it has a little bit of ripped detailing. So the top gives me very bad and bougie vibes, and as you can see, the quality is really nice, not at all see-through, and the material is also really nice. It has this chain detailing which is very fancy, but I had a little bit of sizing issues, so mostly I get all of my items in size M, and this was again in size M, but it was way too cropped for me. Like, cropped is supposed to be till here above your belly button, but it was like a blouse. Like, what am I supposed to wear with it? A sari? I don't know. So it was really difficult for me to figure out how high-waisted I have to get something to wear with this. But apart from this, the quality is really nice. It's not see-through. The material is not really thin. It's very nice. The color is really nice. It is made of this ribbed material. And so the only issue which I had is the sizing with this one. But apart from that, everything is good with it. So the next top which I have is this sleeveless black peplum top. Coming to this, the quality again is really nice. I think it's perfect for summers. The button-up detailing and the peplum detailing is so beautiful, and I got this in size M and it was a perfect fit. Next what I have is this black colored sleeveless sweetheart neckline peplum top. As you can see, it has buttons all the way down which open up till the way down, which is really nice, so you can wear it as a vest. The sleeves are a little bit loose, but they are not that problematic. They do not fall off by themselves. I really like the neckline and the detailing and the quality. I think all of them are really nice. Also, it has this sexy entire back opening at the end, which again is very pretty. So you can style it in many different ways. You can style it in a casual way or a formal way. I love it. So it is sleeveless, but you can wear something inside it and then style it on the top. And it's black, so you can style it with so many different pieces. And I'm sure if you style it properly, it will look really nice. So that was all the items that I got from Urbanic. So this was my first time, so I did not want to shop too many items. I just wanted to see how their quality are and how their clothing pieces are. So coming back to if I would purchase from it again, I'm skeptical about that because most of the pieces in Urbanic are very trendy pieces. Like you will get cow print jeans and printed top and two neon and two trendy clothes. So what I like to wear is mostly timeless pieces, which I know I can style in many different ways. But if I'm getting a cow print jeans or something which is very trendy, I do not know, maybe I will not feel like wearing it again when the trend goes away. And you know the thing with trends, right, like it can get a little bit tacky if it's out of trend, but apart from that, anything you see on Instagram, any trendy piece which you are seeing on Instagram, you can definitely find it out here. So I loved all the pieces. The quality is really nice. The quality is really nice. The designs are really nice, but you have to search a lot if you are like me and you like timeless pieces like a leather pant or a white staple shirt. So things like that which are very classic you will find very difficult to find. But apart from that, all the stylish things are there. Quality is 10 on 10. The designs are really nice. The colors are really nice. And the great thing about this is that it gives you fast delivery. So when you go on Urbanic, you will see on some pieces they mention that it will be fast delivery, which I think is really helpful. So the pieces which will be delivered within 4 to 5 days max are written fast. So you can presume when you will be getting it, and the ones which do not have fast return in it takes quite some time. Like the purple top which I got it delivered within 4 to 5 days, within a week I guess. But the other two items I had to wait for 2 weeks to get them. So talking about their rates, some of them are very cheap and some of them are really costly, which I think is very common in every online shopping website. So you can get a lot of pieces under 1000, under 500, and that too of really nice quality and really nice design. Overall, I would definitely like to check them out again if I'm looking for some really nice trendy pieces. So that was all for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you want more shopping hauls, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like this video and comment down which one was your favorite piece and how was your experience from Urbanic if you have shopped from there earlier. Also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'm highly active over there. Link will be down below in the description box, and I would love to see you guys next time. Bye!